Afternoon all, and let's go and take a look around another beautiful new Arbelayes listing. This one is Villa Luna. Absolutely gorgeous property, beautifully presented. It's situated on a slightly elevated, very private, south-facing plot, so bathed in sunshine all day long in the popular Los Torres community of Arbelayes. Just look at those absolutely spectacular views. It's a 2-bed, 2-bath villa, so lends itself perfectly, you know, full-time home, full-time residence, or wonderful lock-up and leave holiday property if required. Now you've got this gorgeous covered porch. The double doors there are running off of the sitting room. But what a lovely entertaining area. You can see extendable awnings. This has got guttering on the front, so there's a little bit of a breeze there, so hopefully it's not picking up too much of that on the camera. And I'll just have a pan round for you. How absolutely magnificent is that backdrop? Now, a real benefit to this property, as well as this gorgeous, you can see, vaulted ceiling covered porch here, which runs off the lounge. You've also got a beautiful glazed conservatory winter room on the other side of the property as well. So I've just come out into the street quickly to show you the access. But you can see very private, opaque double metal gates here. Here's a wonderful winter room conservatory, which we'll take a look at from the inside in a second. Perfect tarmac access up to the villa. Open the gates and you've got a nice little flagstone drive. This leads you into a quality covered carport. And just at the back of that, there's a very nice storage shed. I love this absolutely beautiful stone retaining wall here. We're in the garden, yes, I know. And you can see it's just been beautifully presented, and I kind of, you know, you've got the colour, but this is a low maintenance garden with lots of established lovely fruit trees, shrubs, etc, etc. Just a real peaceful haven. Running off the back of the carport, the utility corridor that every one of us needs. I mean, there's a fair bit of land here, so this can be kind of converted a little bit to provide further entertaining space, but you've got, look, a lovely dining terrace in front there with a metal kind of pergola overlooking the pool and the wonderful views, a wonderful log store, and then this big storage shed separately, so ample storage. What a lovely little kind of dining and relaxation area here. So that's a kind of full walk around of the exterior. 8x4 pristine pool. And gosh guys, this is the evening, it's March, and beautifully warm, lovely blue skies as a backdrop. So let's go and take a look indoors, but you can see quality stone cladding around the entire base, and this has been marble topped here, so this is the conservatory. Let's take a look through the keyhole. So this would have been open many years ago, but hey, what a transformation and what a lovely room. All these windows are sliding, so you can open them all up. Ceiling fan out here as well. And then the wrecker and access into a lovely central hallway. Now, a very useful feature, you can see this big cupboard to the right. Well, that's a kind of coat cupboard, utility cupboard, and very few of the Spanish homes or properties have this available. Door in front there into the main family bathroom, and then off to the left, double door access into the lounge sitting room. So let's go into there first. I love this beautiful neutral tile scheme that's running throughout the property. Got the balance just right, you know, it's not over furnished, it's not under furnished. Now, a lot of the furniture, the main furniture items, can be included in the sale, but this will be under separate negotiation. can see a wall-mounted wood-burning fire sitting over there onto the right. Lovely dining area as well. And then double door access out onto the lovely covered terrace and onto the pool. You can see up here there's very good quality air conditioning units being fitted throughout, fly screens as well. Now, double door access of the rear of the lounge takes you out into the wonderful kitchen. That's beautiful double thickness black granite worktops. There's a drinking water system. Now, the doors have been removed, but they're here, they're still in storage, so those can be put back on, but it works very well like this, open if you like. And I'm not going to film in there, but just off to the left of the kitchen you can see very good sized utility room. Yes, that works for me as well. Now, this is replete with a drinking water system in the kitchen, and of course all the appliances are to remain. I do like a hallway, and I know many of you do as well. So wonderful central hallway. You've got a nice storage heater on the wall there as well, so you can put that on a timer and then you don't have to come in when it's a bit chilly. Doesn't apply today because it's cooking. Full family bathroom here to the left, with full bath, overhead shower. Clean, fresh and simple. And then the first double bedroom here on the left hand side, and then at the end of the hallway you've got the large master bedroom and further ensuite bathroom. Starting off with the guest bedroom, so a nice size double. Wonderful views. I don't use, well, the sun's shining in at the moment so you can't see them, but lovely views out of that window. And then a large bank of rolling fronted floor to ceiling fitted wardrobes. Again, air conditioning, ceiling fans in here. You can see the tiling scheme running throughout. On into the master. Wonderful ensuite bathroom in here. Big double shower with the popular glass blocks. Ouch. Just kidding. So again, further bank of floor to ceiling fitted wardrobes running along the entire left hand wall. Air conditioning, ceiling fan. There you have it, the wonderful Villa Luna. A super duper 2-bed, 2-bath, very spacious property with a wonderful covered porch, large glazed conservatory winter room, 8x4 pool in tip-top condition. Full details will follow shortly. The price is $189,950 with furniture available subject to separate negotiation. For full details they'll follow shortly, but if you'd like to view, give us a call or contact us via email, calidahomes@hotmail.com, +34 950 430 763, and I'll just leave you with a little glimpse of that absolutely spectacular backdrop.